It took me 3 hours to research the best YouTube channel niches on which you can start making videos today without showing your face. Yeah, to be very honest, you don't need to show your face. In the next few minutes, I am going to reveal 11 best niches to start today. But before that, do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I am working hard to find valuable content for you people. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So the niche number 1 in the list is scary stories. Yeah, you can make scary stories videos on YouTube and you just need to record your voiceover with stock footages that you will get from sites like pixel.com. And yeah, this is the example channel in the niche known as Mr. Nightmare, and here they create scary story videos and they share it on YouTube and earn tons of money. And this is the videos, they simply use stock footages in their videos and a background voiceover. So you can do the same and can earn money. Niche number 2, software tutorials. As you know that there are many softwares in the market and you can make videos on any one of that software. You just need to learn that software first and then make as much videos as you can. In the softwares that I know that are doing very well on YouTube are CapCut and any Adobe software. So you can start learning these softwares and then create your own videos and get tons of views and earn tons of money. Collins Michael, this is the example channel in this niche, and he creates videos about CapCut tutorials, and he also create videos about InShot tutorials, editing tutorials. Means he only create the videos related editing softwares and he can earn a lot from it, and you can do. So the niche number 3 that I want to discuss in this video is make money online. If you people are like me who know many methods to make money online, then this is the best niche for you people to start in 2024. And the example channel working in this niche is my own channel. I am running this channel without showing my face, just sharing the knowledge that I have. Yeah, this is my channel, and this is the example channel in this niche where you can create make money online videos by just using your voiceover like I am doing it right now and stock footages. After then, the niche number 4 is health and fitness niche. In this, you can make videos with stock footages that you will get from the pixels.com and use your voiceover. And in this niche, you have to discuss either any disease or any health problem and the solution related to that problem. And the example channels that are working in this same niche are Health Chronicle. Yeah, this is the example channel, and they are making tons of money by just creating 2D health related videos. Niche number 5. The niche number 5 is self-improvement niche, and many people are interested to see videos like these. And the channels that are working in this niche, Brainy Dose is one of the self-improvement channel where they create videos related to self-improvement, and people like to watch such type of content and they get paid off it. Yeah, these are the videos which are looking very simple. They are consist of stock footages from pixels.com and yeah, a simple voiceover in back. So you can create such videos very easily. You just have to research little bit content related to it and just create and upload a video on YouTube. And the niche number 6 that I want to discuss is investing niche, and the channel like Chris Invest create investing content without showing his own face on camera, just by using whiteboard animation videos. And there are many softwares in the market by which you can create these whiteboard animation videos for free. And the niche number 7 that I want to discuss is that you can create history related videos. You need nothing, you just need stock footages and some knowledge which you will get from internet easily. And the channel that are working in this niche, this is the history related videos, and you can see they have just uploaded 6 videos and get up to 60.3k subscribers. And these are the videos they created, and they didn't show any of their face in this video. They just use images and stock footages that they get from free stock footages site like pixels.com, and there are multiple other sites from where you can get such videos. Niche number 8 is a business stories where YouTuber tells behind the scene stories of most famous brands and companies like Facebook and Coca-Cola and earn tons of money by doing that. Yeah, this is Magnets Media, and they share stories behind businesses and brands like Coca-Cola and Facebook. So you can see that their videos are very simple, and they are consisted of stock footages and some text appearing on the screen, and there is no any hard work required in such videos. You can create such type of videos easily. After then, the niche number 9, you can also create quizzes and riddles YouTube channel, in which you have to create quizzes and riddles for people, and the people will solve those riddles and quizzes, and you will earn money for that. And it is the easiest niche. Start making money today, and you can make these videos by a basic video editing software like Filmora, and you can also make these videos by using Canva. This is the channel Quiz Blitz, where they share quizzes and riddles that people solves, and because people watch their video, Quiz Blitz owners earn a tons of money from it. You can see their views. These videos are highly engaging, and you can see here that how their quiz looks like, and you can create the same quizzes in Canva as well as any editing software that you know. So the niche number 10 in my list is top 5 list content, and it's not necessary that you will create only top 5 list. You can create top 10, top 15 and top 50 list, and in which you list top 5 things in any category, like top 5 places to visit in Paris, top 5 tech gadgets everyone should must have, and such content is highly engaging. And here is a channel that is working on the same niche, and the name of that channel is New Top 5, in which he shares top 5 and top 10 scary ghost videos and earn tons of money through it. So you can create such channel very easily and can earn money. The last niche of this video is the luxury niche, in which you can share the life moments of rich people, their mansions, yachts and cars. Channel like King Luxury do the same and earn money just talking about rich people's life, and you can do the same, and you get such videos of rich people from internet, social media, and also you can use stock footages. So this is the whole about this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then give the thumbs up to this video.